Namaste dear soul, how are you doing? Welcome to Manoyogi YouTube channel. Today is the day number 22 of April Yoga Challenge 2020. You are doing incredible and I'm so excited here because today's yoga asana is one of the most fundamental of every yoga style. Whatever style you are doing, Janu Sirsasana is the integral part of it, and today we are going to do that. It is very good for your pelvic floor, for your spinal health, for your hip health, and for your knee health equally. So without getting any further delay, let's get it started. I show you first how to do it, and then we do two variations of Janu Sirsasana today. So let's get it started. To do a Janu Sirsasana, first we will bend our left knee. So we are bringing the heel at the root of the body and if you can at the perineum of the body. The left leg straight. This is really important that our leg is not just lingering around, it's just straight. Heel is pressing, knee is pressing. Straight spine, equal weight on both hips. Deep breath in. Exhale, forward bend. Gently going as forward as you can. If you're not able to reach that far as you can, inhale, head up. Exhale, gently going down. Eyes looking in the direction of your navel. So if you're not able to see your navel, that is absolutely fine, but your eyes are looking in the direction, but seeing the tip of your nose. And deep breathing, staying here for the count of 5, making sure that the weight is maintained on both hips. 3, 4, 5. Deep breathing, slowly coming up. Exhale. Left side, same way. Deep breath in. With full breath, stretching hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, head up. Exhale, gently down. Deep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up slowly. Exhale, slowly, gracefully going back. Now the variation number B. So that's what we will do in the next round. In B variation, slowly we are bending the knee and we are sitting on the heel. So when you're sitting on the heel, hips are a bit up. So here, heel again is pressing on the ground. Deep breath in, stretch hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Exhale, gently going down. And you will make sure that, so it's not making any pressure on your knee in any sort of, you're able to sit on it. If not, just bring the heel as close as possible or under your thigh and forward bend gently. So here too, you're able to lift your hips up. Deep breathing, staying there for the count of 5. Inhale deep, head up. Exhale, slowly coming back. Now the left side, same way. Deep breath in. Heel is at the root of the body. Left leg forward. Deep breath in. Exhale, forward bend. Gently going down. Stretching down. 5. Inhale deep, head up. Exhale down. This is very good for your hamstring as well. So this, now you know it. So let's start the challenge of April Yoga. So now you know it. Let's get it started. April Yoga Challenge 2020, Janu Sirsasana A and Janu Sirsasana B. Let's start it. Bent left knee, deep breath in, straight right leg, stretching the hands up, exhale, forward bend. Eyes looking in the direction of navel, deep breathing. 1. Shoulders are relaxed. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale, gently back. Left side, same way. Deep breath in, bending the right knee. Heel want to touch at the perineum of the body. The left leg straight, deep inhalation, stretch hands. Exhale, forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, head up. Exhale, slowly coming back in the center. Very good. Now B. Inhale deep, full breath in, bending the left knee and sitting on the heel. Left leg straight, deep breath in, stretch hands up. Exhale, forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale, back. Left side same way. Deep breath in. Sitting on the heel. Left leg straight. Inhale deep. Stretch hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Eyes looking in the direction of your navel. Deep breathing for the count of 5. Shoulders are always relaxed. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale, gently, lovingly coming back. Slowly from here, lay down so you're completely relaxed and you gain full benefit of this pose. Spread the hands wider. Open your legs a little bit wider and let go and sink in with the gravity and deep breathing. Well done, you have done excellent again. If you like today's yoga asana, go ahead and hit the like button so that will motivate me. And if you are here so far and doing April Yoga Challenge 2020, I want to congratulate you. You are doing really good for your body, for your mind, for your entire health and well-being. Keep it up. Well done. Thank you so much, and I see you tomorrow for day number 23 of April Yoga Challenge 2020. My name is Manoj. I wish you a wonderful day and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.